If your life feels like it's breaking apart right now, congratulations. Feeling lost? That's good news too. Let me explain why. If you've been wishing for happiness or something new in your life, the fact that it's falling apart is part of the process of receiving what you've been asking for. You might wonder, why does life have to fall apart for the things I'm trying to manifest? Well, if the life you dream of is nothing like your current one, how could things stay the same? Your mindset would need to change, and you might not be around the same people. Losing longtime friends or having disagreements with family may be uncomfortable, but it's all happening for the greater good. Your energy is evolving, and the people you've lost are only a match for the energy you used to have. You're undergoing an energetic transformation on the inside. So, according to the law, changes will happen on the outside too. Your previous energy attracted the things in your life, and now, with your new energy, you're attracting something different. When you consistently wish for a new life, the universe recognizes this strong desire. However, it won't just hand it to you abruptly because you might not know how to handle it. Even though you may feel ready, true readiness takes time and involves some challenges. These challenges or pains are lessons that will equip you with valuable knowledge for your future. The universe, or you can call it God, is working on your behalf, clearing the way for this new life. There are specific things you must learn, and unfortunately, the only way to truly grasp this knowledge is by going through a sometimes painful process. However, it doesn't have to be painful all the time. If you change your perspective on your life situation, it becomes more manageable. You won't be too hard on yourself because you understand that everything is happening for a reason, and this difficult phase will eventually pass. Please grasp that everything in life has a purpose. There are no coincidences. Every situation unfolds to teach you valuable lessons needed for your progress. Think of life as a game. You can't jump straight to the best part or where your character is at its peak without going through various missions and learning experiences. This might be occurring right before or during a spiritual awakening. If you're not on a spiritual journey yet, brace yourself, because once it begins, there's no turning back to your old life. You are led here for a reason, so don't give up on this opportunity. The process and journey may involve pain and tears, but in the end it's worth it. For those who've been on this journey, congratulations. Things are about to get significantly better. The inner work you've been doing will pay off in magical ways. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. In both situations, the key is to start surrendering, let God lead the way, and don't worry. You are protected, and the universe is on your side, eager to give you everything. Just allow things to be instead of resisting and criticizing yourself. Don't panic. I understand how uncomfortable this transition can be. It might feel confusing with constant questioning, but now you know why. Hang in there, even if you're tired of being tired. Progress won't happen overnight, but each adjustment adds up. You never know when the last one will be the key to stepping into your new life. Let things fall apart, and it's okay. Build trust with yourself and the universe. If you find yourself in isolation, see it as an opportunity to connect with something powerful. Being alone is a message from God, saying, "Connect with me, I'm trying to give you the world." Don't rush out of isolation until you've made that connection. If you are constantly seeking happiness and peace outside of yourself, you're looking in the wrong direction. True happiness, peace, love, confidence, and courage are within you, surpassing anything external. You hold the power to create worlds. You are the universe. You are God. Understanding this changes everything. Use this time to dig deep, connect with your creative power. It's not easy, but never give up. Quitting means missing out on becoming who you're meant to be. Keep a positive perspective, be kind to yourself, and embrace the process. You are incredibly powerful, and you've got this. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support means a lot, and it helps us create more content like this. Thanks for being part of our community, and we look forward to having you with us on future journeys. Subscribe and like now. Let's grow together.